You searched how to buy shares of WidePoint Corp. WidePoint is a technology company providing secure communications and identity services, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WYY, and this explanation is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform's search box to find a company by name or ticker. Type WYY and select the WidePoint Corp result to ensure you have located the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and a price chart. Confirm that the page shows WidePoint Corp and the WYY ticker before you proceed to trade. Click Buy or Trade. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After confirmation, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same example, check the link in the description for the platform used in this walkthrough.